How to deny Facebook access to photos. Now let's say you don't want your Facebook to access your photos. This is because you don't want your photos, your videos, or contents that you have on your phone to be widespread or spread out to the social media platforms. Now, in order for you to deny the access of your Facebook to your photos, all you have to do is to go to your settings right here and scroll down until you find the apps right here. You just have to tap on apps again and scroll down until you find your Facebook app right here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on permissions right here and scroll down until you find photos and videos right here. So you just have to tap on that and make sure that you tap on don't allow access right here so that your photos as well as your videos will not be shared to your Facebook app. And the Facebook app is not permitted to access your photos or your gallery in general. So that's how to deny Facebook access to photos. Hope we help.